This is a Ulanzi VL119 RGB Light stick, but I wonder why this is called red, blue, green when it has different shades of light and up to 20 scenes of light effect. Make that make sense to me. Well, in this review, I will tell you everything you need to know about this light. So while at it, do hit the like and subscribe button if you're yet to, but if you're returning, welcome back. Starting off with the unboxing, in the box you get the Ulanzi VL119 RGB Light stick, you get a USB to Type-C charging cable, a manual to guide you while using the light, which was not very useful to me, and a Chinese card which I don't really care about, and that's all that comes in the box. Next is the design. The light comes quite in handy. The body is plastic, which makes it feel very light to hold and makes me even unsure if this light can survive a fall without getting scratched or even broken. Where everything happens is the handle. On the side, you have the Type-C charging port, the power button to on and off the light. In the bottom, you have the screw hole to mount this light on a tripod. Then at the back is the control button to select what color or what scene of lighting you want. You can mount this light on a tripod, a holder, or pretty much just place it on a flat surface. Also, this light comes with an inbuilt battery of 2600 mAh, which is actually rechargeable but does not support external batteries, which is not so good because if your battery is drained and there is no place to juice it up at the moment, you do not have any other power alternatives than to recharge the battery before you are able to use it again. However, a single charge of this light can last you up to 60 minutes of usage. And here are some of the things I like about this light. Apart from the fact that this light is a great fill light that gives you that dramatic or cinematic look for both your videos and photographs, this light's color temperature reads from about 2500 Kelvin all the way to 9000 Kelvin with up to 20 kind of light effects. I mean, that's amazing. The mode button gives you access to different light effects like the red flash, the green flash, the blue flash, the pop, the pose, and so many more. Then the plus and minus button helps to increase and decrease the temperature of the light and also be able to change the light mode. So they literally save multi-purposes, which is surprising for a light of this price range. So if you're looking to up your video game or to achieve an aesthetic video background effect like the one behind me, then the Ulanzi VL119 RGB Light Stick is a budget-friendly and a very good option for you. Now let me bust your bubble. I got this light for an insanely discounted price of about 19,000 Nigerian Naira, shipment fee inclusive, from AliExpress. I'll leave the link in the description below for you to check out. And also, this is not a sponsored video. Let me know in the comments if you get this light considering the price and the value for this light, or you'd simply trash this light. Like and follow for more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button if you're yet to, and I'll see you on the next one.